Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have a vintage flash effects on your videos by using CapCut. So first thing first, you just need to add your clips into CapCut like this. And after that, go straight to effects, click on the video effects. And in here, you can just swipe through the category and select the TV category, and here you'll find the vintage flash effect. So click on the effect here, click on adjust if you want to adjust the effect. So I'm going to lower the texture into around 30, and here I'm going to leave the filter, atmosphere, and slow twist, and I'm going to increase the speed a little bit. And after that, just click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the length, and that's it. This will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.